If your sponsor was not in the ideation session, you'll want to communicate your ideas and plans to them as soon as possible. The goal is to give space for questioning, ensure the team gets feedback early, and ultimately, gain their approval. If your sponsor isn't supportive of where the team wants to take the project, your ideas and dreams are dead before you've even started. Needless to say, you have to have buy-in from the right people if you want your vision to come to life. And you want to do this early and continuously. Tailor the board so that it's clear and concise so that your audience doesn't need to work overtime to process what they're viewing. Using frames, containers, shapes, and text boxes to start to organize your board to tell a story. Begin with the problem your team is trying to solve and how it might be impacting the business. Next, include the solution you want to propose and the impact your solution will have on the business. To top things off, include logistical information around risks, benefits, time it will take, cost, and what type of support you need. With your team, start adding visuals through links, images, and relevant data to each frame that clearly communicates these points. We recommend being selective with what you add so you don't overpower the viewer with text and links to the document. When it's time to present, paths help control the viewer's experience so that they navigate through the information in the frames in the clearest way possible. Once you've created a path and arranged it to your liking, you can copy the link and share the path with sponsors. Clicking the link will drop the sponsor into the board where they can navigate using the arrows. This path experience is interactive, so sponsors can engage with the links straight from the canvas if they need more context, or drop notes and feedback via sticky notes. If you can't present the information in person, lean on Loom to record yourself running through the major components and leave it on the board for your audience to review in their own time. Use comments or tasks on specific areas of the board to call attention to individuals for review and approval if needed. Sharing the right information with the right people at the beginning of any project or initiative is key to making sure that your team is aligned with the business and that you have the support you need. If what you present to your sponsors ends up falling far from the mark, then you have documentation from your creative session to revisit and build upon as another option. These visuals will become part of your innovation repository and will make it easier to see the changes that have been made, ideas that have been nixed, and helps support the development of new plans and ideas. Learn how to build out your innovation repository in the next section, and make sure to check out the support guides for this section of the course to help communicate the value of your project to your sponsors.